Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am in Goa to celebrate with TVS for their festival called MotoSoul. So here we are entering TVS MotoSoul, and I don't know what to expect this year. Last year it was an absolute joy coming here and experiencing the entire fun that TVS had to offer, and this year I'm expecting similar fun. Let's enter and take a look at what TVS has to offer this year as well. So let's get in. So this is the entrance, and let's get in and check out what is there in offer. So as you enter, similar like last year, you have an expo of all the motorcycles there, and then you have the all new freestyler. That's the Apache RTR 310 displayed here, and you can try doing wheelies as well here. And yes, you have another RTR in display here. So let's go into the main area and check out what we have here. So we have right from the 50cc TVS, which used to be used for racing. Yes, that's the one which used to be used for racing. And then my favorite, TVS Suzuki Shogun. Wow, what a machine is this. Absolute brilliant when it comes to two-stroke. Had lots of fun on that motorcycle. And then again, all these other race motorcycles which is there. And then you have the N-Torque race. And these are all the Dakar motorcycles which TVS uses. And this is the new section, which is the Apache RTR, which are there. And the new member in the family, which is the RTR 310. And then you have the 310RR, the latest one with the wings. And wow, that's a beautiful motorcycle. So let's get in and see what else we have this year at TVS MotoSoul. So the festival has evolved itself from where it was last year to what it is this year is spectacular. I just can't wait to explore more. And then let's have a look here. So that's the 310RR. If you want to do a knee down, you can try on that motorcycle right there. There you see, you can take photographs and act as if you're doing a knee down. And then the Ronin, of course.
Everything. This is amazing. I love this.
If you have watches or watch whatever you're wearing, right, just remove it and it's quite simple.
So that's the track one, Ronin.
That's it. Yeah.
And this is the tie-up with the Alpine Star, what TVS has got. Their entire range of riding gears that they have to offer. You have the t-shirts, which is TVS co-branded with Alpine Star. And of course, these are the Alpine Star riding gears that they've launched. Beautiful ones. I just love these riding gears. And they've tied up with one of the best in the world when it comes to safety for motorcycle, Alpine Star. And they have the riding pants, and then they have the helmet section as well, and then a lot of other t-shirts. And then yes, of course, riding boots. These are really, really good.
Ready? All right.
Face out. Taking stunts. You're ready?
Alright, you all are ready, but you know what? You should also be ready to shake your butts.
And then you have the N-Torque here. All the different versions of N-Torque been displayed here.
And it's going to be everything that MotoSoul is.
What do we have here?
So guys,
we have the rider. And then, of course, the electric ones, which is the iQube, and then the TVS X. So I had been for the launch of TVS X in Dubai, and this scooter, electric scooter, is just absolutely stunning. I've done a detailed review video also. If you guys want to watch, I'll put a link on the top. You can go check out the detailed review of this scooter. Beautiful. And then yes, of course, iQube is a family scooter, and a lot of people are just loving this scooter. And then you have the beverage part there. You have a lot of eateries here. you can just enjoy. And then you have the 310RR here and the simulation there as well, so you can check out the simulation and ride one of those. So this is the eatery area.
You have kind of sussed out, you need to step out. The lady is looking really stable. She's looking strong.
So let's explore more. What do we have here at MotoSoul? And there's a lot of things happening outside this place as well. So you have these merchandises from 100 kmph, which there is a stall here. You can go check out various designs from 100 kmph. They have some amazing motorcycle designs. The move like a Ronin. So there's something exclusive on Ronin and all the other motorcycles. So here's Ronin. And this is the custom one, which looks absolutely beast and sleek. Love this. And then there's another custom one, Ronin. Even this one looks beautiful. And then you have the RTR 310 Apache. Plus you have the 310, which is a complete custom make, which is done by Smoke Garage, if I'm not wrong.
For all of you, can we have the audio visual please?
Introducing the TVS RT XT4. A revolutionary race-tuned engine built on the power of dual tech. With its racing throttle response, precise power delivery, and all-range torque, it exemplifies racing thrills. At its core, the 4-valve DOHC with downdraft torque delivers higher revs and peak performance exactly when you need it. The plasma-coated cylinder reduces friction and weight. The added dual jacket cooler ensures thermal stability, enhancing overall comfort. The helical gear-driven balancer system brings refined performance. The dual oil pump in tandem with the dual-chamber split crankcase optimizes lubrication and provides torque across the rev range. Shifting gears is effortless with the 6-speed gearbox aided by the assist and slipper clutch. The Wi-Fi line provides crisp acceleration, while the dual separator breather system allows for consistent performance over lap rides. The liquid-cooled system and two-way thermostat work together to achieve peak performance even in demanding conditions. With torque delivery across the rev range, resulting in greater throttle response and a sporty engine mode. The TVS RTX-D4 is more than just an engine. It's the heart of an exhilarating ride experience. This has the power of dual tech, race-tuned to perfection. The balancer system brings refined performance. The dual oil pump in tandem with the dual-chamber split crankcase optimizes lubrication and provides torque across the rev range. Shifting gears is...
Dr. Daniel, thank you, Dr. Bobby. Thank you so much for being here with us. Thanks a lot. Wait for the next announcement, which is coming very shortly. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Vibhav.
So now let's show you what's there outside MotoSoul, what we've got. So let's explore that as well. So your left hand side, you have the track, which is a flat track race, where you have modified Ronins, where you can take it for a flat track and there you see, those are the motorcycles. Let me just give you a closer look. There's the one. And to your left hand side here, So you had
We got music, we got dancing,
Stunt
we
shows.
got everything! Come on, people! It's not just a festival, it's a feeling! So let's go, MotoSoul!
So this is the stunt arena. Let me try to get some action.
Judges, are you ready? Judges? Judges? Again, who are ready, so please get ready, because after this we'll start the...
And that's all from my end regarding TVS MotoSoul from Goa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and all the events that TVS organized at MotoSoul. So if you have missed this year, make sure you're there next year for sure. This was the 4th edition of TVS MotoSoul in Goa, Vagator, and I can't wait to watch what's there for next year. And I was in love with all the custom motorcycles which were there at TVS MotoSoul. I had lots of fun. I hope you guys also had lots of fun watching this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, and also do share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.